How to swap Solana for USDC in Phantom Wallet. In order to do it, you need to first open your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Then on the home page, you can either tap on the swap option, or you will also be able to see the swap option in the middle. So you can tap any of that and you will be landed on the swap tokens page in your Phantom Wallet. Now over here, by default, Solana will be selected. Even if you tap on the assets, you won't be able to see any other assets. So you just have to simply make sure that you have selected Solana in this section. Then you just have to simply tap on the to section, and over here you need to select USDC. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to convert into USDC, and it will show you the equivalent amount that you are going to get. So over here you need to tap on the swap option in the bottom, and this way your order will be placed, and once your transaction is completed, you will be able to get USDC in your Phantom wallet after swapping from Solana. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.